Municipalities and industrial facilities rely on Gorman-Rupp pumps equipped with the Eradicator solids management system to keep their operation free of blockages. The Eradicator solids management system allows the passage of large solids and prevents clogs at the impeller. Clog-prone solids, such as stringy and fibrous materials, are continuously and effectively wiped away from the leading edge of the impeller, preventing buildup and eliminating costly service and maintenance interruptions. The Eradicator solids management system can be easily retrofitted to existing pumps or added to new pump configurations. Here, you can see the system in action, preventing the buildup of debris that leads to ragging or other potential clogs occurring.